Hello besties! Welcome to the Life of Jeenie, where I try to find joy in my life and hopefully help you find yours. And today I want to say that it's such a happy day for me today. I've been just like bouncing off the walls because I reached 100,000 YouTube subscribers and I've just been like on cloud nine. And I just want to say thank you so much. What's crazy is that I actually gained 50,000 subscribers within 1 week. Like, whoa, like what? What? I don't even know, I don't know what's going on, but I've been getting a lot of messages asking what I did differently and how I did that. So all I want to do right now is give you a really quick tutorial on how I gained 50,000 more subscribers in 1 week. Okay, let's go! All right, so don't mind me. I am in my cabin crew uniform because I was just filming and I wanted to film this tutorial for you because I just reached 100,000 today and everything is fresh in my brain and I just want to get this done. So I want to make this quick and easy as possible. I ended up growing my account 50,000 more subscribers in just 15 minutes a day. My tutorial today is not to help you create content. All I'm going to do is share with you what I did to help grow my account. This is for people who already have, say, like a TikTok account, Instagram Reels, Snapchat Spotlight. If you're already an influencer, content creator, or a business, and you already have these short videos that are 30 to 60 seconds, this video is for you. So I create all of my videos on TikTok first. I love the platform. I love all of the, this is how I film. Oh, you can see myself. But I use this to film everything. So the first thing that you're going to do is look at your feed, okay? You're going to pick 5 of your top viewed or viral videos that you have on TikTok, okay? So I'm just randomly going to pick this video, which got about 3.9 million views. And what you're going to do is click this 3 button here on yours, okay? And then you are going to save, okay? You're going to save the video. So you're just going to click that. And it's going to automatically save onto your photo gallery. So do that to 5 of your videos. Okay, that's the first thing you do. Then you're just going to open up your YouTube app. Okay, so here is my YouTube. And you see this plus button right here? You're just going to add that. And then up here, you're going to upload a video like so. And then you're just going to upload that specific video that you just downloaded. Click next. Okay, and this title is important. So make sure you add a title that will catch someone's eye. On your actual homepage, you're going to see a shorts beta section, which has the titles and just kind of like a screenshot of your short video. So make sure your title is catchy enough that people would want to click it and watch your video. So pick whatever you want. This one, I just put when you wake up in a coma, wake up in a coma. And this is a tip that I got from other YouTubers, which is you put hashtag shorts. Okay, so you put that in the title as well. It's just to help the algorithm. You're also gonna put it in the description. I also like to tag myself. I don't know. But I've been doing it and it's been working. So I just tag myself and I put hashtag YouTube Shorts in there as well. So I go like this and put shorts. Okay, so I'm just gonna do Jeenie.Weenie and shorts. After you're done, all you have to do is click upload. I already have that video, so I'm not gonna press it. Click upload and then you're finished. Okay? that is it. So I told you to do 5. So I have a lot of videos for a long time. I've been creating for about a year now. So before I used to create anywhere from 3 to 10 videos a day, like TikToks a day. So I've been just recycling all of my old TikToks, like all of them. And I've been doing it kind of within a 3-hour interval. I'll be posting another TikTok. So I just been doing that on my YouTube channel for the last week, and I gained 50,000 followers. Like, isn't that wild? I don't know if this is gonna work for everybody, but I really feel like you should try because you have the content already, and I just showed it to you how to do that in like 2 minutes. Save and re-upload. It's so easy. So try it out 5 times a day for the next week, and I hope your account grows. It would be so amazing to see your account grow. And this is a great time because not a lot of people are doing YouTube Shorts right now. So you'll be one of the first, and there's going to be a higher chance for you to get the exposure that you need and hopefully grow your account. One other thing before I go, I don't know if you guys know this, but you can actually monetize YouTube Shorts. So I have been monetizing and making some money off my YouTube Shorts, which is amazing because I make no money off TikTok. I'm in Canada. So this has been a godsend to me. If you are interested in another tutorial on the tips how to monetize YouTube Shorts, let me know, put it in the comments, because I mean, if nobody cares, I'm not gonna bother making the video, you know. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll do my best to try to answer them for you. Have fun making YouTube Shorts. Bye!